Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's the one and only Jay Stein coming at you with the Monday morning edition of the market update with me. I'm still not sure what to call this yet, or anything even deserves a name. Anyways, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I did. I had a South American style family reunion, which is not a one-day event. It carries on for multiple days, and they mainly speak Spanish, and I don't. So it was fun for me, And I'm not complaining. I honestly, it has its pros and cons. Con being that they could be talking smack about me, like right in front of my face, and I wouldn't know. All right. B, it's boring because I don't know what anybody's saying. Like I'm just sitting there by myself, trying to pretend to do something on my cell phone. Half the time I don't even do anything on my cell phone. I'm just pretending. Okay? But the bonus here, though, guys, and I'm just going to, before we get into the market, the bonus in this situation is I don't have to contribute anything to any of the conversations. I don't speak the language. I don't understand. Me no comprehendo nada. See? Yeah. It's great. Right up until the time where some asshole decides to start translating for me. Okay, so I'm in my own little bubble, minding my own freaking business, and then someone's like, oh yeah, and the next thing I know, I have to contribute, and I'm like, I don't want to. Anyways, but yeah, that was my weekend. It was really good. Got to hang out and chill with the family and all that good stuff. So let's jump into the market right now. Right this second. It's early. The Dow is looking down slightly, 100 points, 130 points down. The one thing I'm really not digging, though, is the VIX is up 7%. And that ratio of the Dow being down only 100 points and the VIX being that high, I don't really like. But then again, it's very early in the morning, so things could change. Next up. The ship in the Suez Canal, the Ever Given. Looks like they're making some good headway on it. They should hopefully be getting it out of the way sooner rather than later. So with that said, oil prices are stable. They're pretty much flat. And I'm probably going to unload my oil and gas positions just because I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference anymore at this point. There's a couple family shops and Credit Suisse that are dumping off big chunks of their Chinese holdings, or their stocks of Chinese companies, and it actually started last week, but that's kind of got a few people spooked. So we'll see if that actually has any real effect on the overall market today. Like I said, we're down a little bit, but nothing crazy. In terms of announcement, there's nothing coming out today. There's just not a whole heck of a lot going on. Some people are freaking out about the COVID. Apparently, there's some new variants and rising cases, like there always is, and I don't really care about that anymore. I wear my PPE. I social distance. I'm waiting in line for the jab. In fact, I had a conversation with somebody the other day, and they were like, "Why aren't you gonna get it?" I was like, "Really? We're gonna go there?" Anyways, all right, guys, that's pretty much all I got. Bitcoin's coming up on that 60 mark. It's looking nice. I think where are we sitting right this very second? 57.5, which I do like. That's moving in the direction that I do want to see. And otherwise, guys, let's just sit back and see what ends up happening today. It's a Monday, so who's got a case of the Mondays? I hate that phrase. Don't we all? Anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day. I will check in with you when there's any news updates that are worth talking about. And otherwise, have a good morning. Talk to you later.